mission of Evo Swim School is to make sure that everybody has good aquatic experience from the level of infants all the way to adults. We make sure that they get swimming lessons and make sure that they're safe and comfortable in the water.
The surface area of this pool is 1,620 square feet. The design parameters are 88-degree water and 90-degree air. It is used for mostly tots and smaller kids up to 10 to 12 years old. On this particular project, there were several design considerations and issues. We had to make sure that the outside air box was below the parapet wall. The city does not allow anything to be sticking out over the top. So that was one design issue. Another issue was the outside air box over 10 feet away from the gas heat section would not allow any flue gas to be entrained into the outside air.
The quality of our indoor pool room helps a ton with our mission because when we have little kids indoors, it may be cold, but we have humidity and the temperature at the same level. So that way if they're sitting out in between their turn or learning how to float on their back or anything, they're never cold, they're always warm. And that helps because parents come in knowing that their kid's not gonna get cold during lessons, they're only gonna be focusing on learning to swim.
On this project, Desert Air was very helpful. We came up with a design for the outside air box. I sent the information and drawings back to the factory. With the next day, they came back with a nice CAD drawing, something I could turn over to the project engineer on this project and got the okay for it within 24 hours. The owners are extremely happy with the Desert Air system. We've been here to serve them 24 hours. If anything ever happens, we're back out here as quickly as possible. The system's very energy efficient for them. It's maintaining the temperature and relative humidity in the space. They're very happy with the system.